President Aquino has rallied some 2,000 grassroots leaders in Quezon Province to pursue good governance. The President spoke during the awarding of the Seal of Good Housekeeping for barangay governance to nearly 40 grassroots villages and towns in Quezon Province. More from Elena Luna.
It was a first for the Seal of Good Housekeeping to be awarded to the barangay level. President Aquino led the awarding ceremony in Quezon Province to personally congratulate the winners for practicing good governance, transparency, and accountability in their respective areas. It was the late DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo who initiated the project.
Programang ito, lahat po kami ay nagkaisa at nagsabi na kung ang pamumunuan naming barangay ay may maayos na pamamahala, mabilis ang aming pagunlad, ang aming bayan na nasasakupan. Kung kaya't ako ay naniniwala na bagamat hindi lahat ay pwedeng magbogi, sa araw na ito ay tangan po nila ang gamit upang may saayos at ganap na may sakatuparan ang tuwid na daan na nais ng ating mahal na Pangulo.
Barangay Matipunso, San Antonio, Quezon won the best district level. It bested the more than 160 other barangays in the second district. They won 1.5 million pesos worth of projects. Runner-ups were also given prizes, with consolation awardees receiving at least 100,000 worth of barangay funding. The President also led the oath-taking ceremony of the new members of the Liberal Party. Party President Mar Rojas helped administer the oath. The LP gets 12 board members, 39 municipal mayors, 2 city mayors, and 322 councilors in its roster of members. Earlier, the President was in Candelaria, Quezon for the inauguration of the Bypass Road. The 7.5-kilometer road will be the gateway to the province to help boost local economy and tourism.
Ang tinataya raw po ay 40% ng traffic na dumadaloy sa Maharlika dadaan na dito, gagaan ang traffic sa Maharlika Highway. At hindi ko makalimutan na nung tayo naiimbita ng nasirang rapid test at sa kanila, Pro si Alcala, nung tayo nagpapakilala patungo pagiging pagtakbo sa senador, lalo ng presidente, hindi ko alam kung bakit parate akong malas. Yung 2 oras raw at kalahating biyahe papuntang Lucena, hindi humababa na 5 oras at kalahati ang biyahe ko sa Lucena. Kaya nung kanina tinitignan ko yung karsada, siguro may kinatutuwa tayo ni Rapi ngayon. Makakatulong na mabawasan yung traffic dito sa papuntang Quezon at talaga naman pong masasabi nating medyo may pagbabago na ho. Maski umpisa pa lang po yan.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna, Lucena City.